At current level of development compared to China, India uses 1/8 the amount of steel and 1/4 energy per capita. In terms of mining's contribution to GDP, which increased from 0.6% in 2002 to 2.1% in 2010, this was considering the boom in iron ore mining, has again declined to around 1.2%, which needs to be improved. There has been a proliferation of buzzwords like sustainable development, responsible mining, intergenerational equity, and now green mining. It is believed that green mining technologies hold the key to the mining efficiency and reduce environmental impacts. New mining technologies and regulations have significantly improved mining efficiency and reduced environmental impact in recent years, as demonstrated by the case studies of RE mining in Molycrop, USA, and rare earth industrial policy of China, which were almost completely unregulated in terms of environmental consciousness and efficiency. There has been a lot of R&D efforts, lot of putting in the more money, but they have been able to control the adverse effects of rare earth mining in both the areas. Responsible reporting of mineral assets as regards to their long-term availability and rate of their depletion is of prime importance for sustainable development and exploration strategy. In fact, we manage the resources and not the environment. Preventive actions taken at planning stage are much easier and cheaper. Preventing action is preferred both in economic terms as well as regulatory compliance. We have to develop modern policy and regulatory framework integrating the public in decision making at local and national level. Mining should play a pivotal role in socio-economic development, leaving behind a positive legacy is an important component of responsible or green mining.